Hi guys, I am here to show you my painted rocks so far. I just got this 12 set of Posca pens. It's a water-based paint in these pens and they're fabulous. It was a 12 set and the total was $18.80 shipped from Amazon. My husband has Prime. And so when I want something, I just ask him to order it for me for the free shipping. So I use these on this little fox. It's one of those clear gems that I got from Dollar Tree. And then I did the husky. So all of these here, oh, and I did this pumpkin too. But all of these that are here on my table right now. Don't you like my fancy background? I feel like I'm just a really cool crafter now. But anyway, so these three were done with the Posca pens, and these two have a glow-in-the-dark paint on them, and then I used just acrylic paint or craft paint and a Sharpie marker for these, but these all need to be sealed, so I need to take them out and seal them with, I use the Mod Podge sealer, spray seal. So anyway, and then on the back of the little ones, I just put the hashtag LVPR, Las Vegas Painted Rocks. And that's just done in Sharpie. And these are the little black stones that I got at Dollar Tree. These right here. So they actually make cute little paintings. So I wanted to get this video up so I can get my rocks out and start putting them out, because I have a few that are Halloween themed. And I don't want to be past Halloween. So these are the ones I have so far that need to be sealed. This one, I found some really cool paints at Walmart. This is a glitter paint, and it's textured, but I thought it turned out really cool. I really like that paint. Let me see if I can find it quickly. Oh, it's over there. Hang on, guys. Where's the glitter? Oh, here it is. Here's a glitter paint, and where's the glow in the dark? Nope, that's not it. I don't know. I have a couple of buckets of paint. I don't know. I can't find the glow in the dark off the bat. But this is the glitter paint. It's glitterific, and they come in different colors. This is just the clear hologram, and that's by Folk Art. And I got this at Walmart. I don't know. It was maybe $2. I don't know, but isn't that beautiful? So that's how I got the effect for this one. And here's one of my monsters. These are so much fun. When I sprayed the sealer on it, it kind of dulled the googly eye. I have my container of googly eyes. This is one container. So my little monster. And if I can't think of something or I'm not sure how to draw it, I just go online and look up images. Oh, here's my other monster. He turned out so cute. I used that special effects paint and then some glitter paint down there. He's so cute. So I copied that from somebody online. So those are the color shift paints. And this is such a fun color for Halloween or whatever. But these are really nice. But they're $4 or $5 a bottle, so they're not cheap. But they're really cool. And a little bat. and a little ghost. These I tried. These are the clear gems from Dollar Tree. And so I tried using that glitter paint on them and other paint, and then I put these stickers on. They're just little Dollar Tree stickers, so I thought those were cute. That's kind of an easy way to do them if you're not really artistic, or you don't know how to draw very well. But I suggest that if you're interested in doing this, that you get some inspiration online and try to try your hand at drawing. So this is one of the clear gems, and this is one of the little rocks, the little black rocks, and they're glittery. See, I have a lot of Halloween because it's my favorite. And then I used that special color shift paint on this, and then just wrote I Sparkle. And so that's the hashtag. My candy corn. And I used some glitter paint down there. Keep, leave, or rehide. And experimenting with those clear gems again. And then that's just, that is the oil-based Sharpie. The oil-based Sharpies. That's what I used, the paint pens. That's what I used for the little heart. So you can make them really simple. And I just did a little ladybug. Ooh. I guess the paint kind of smeared on that one. And I did this guy. I thought he was cute, just to have him sitting on top of something, like a wall, put him on top of a wall. I thought that would be really cute. And then just that. My goldfish. My goldfish turned out nice. The only problem was the rock is so textured, which I thought would be cool, for the water effect. But it's so textured, it was really hard to paint. So, but I think it turned out okay. And this is this paint. So that's what it looks like when you actually use it. This one, again, I have this unicorn stamp and die set. So I cut it out, colored it with Copics, and put some Wink of Stella over the top. And this looked really cool. But then when I sprayed it, then I Mod Podged it, because I Mod Podged this on top of it, and it gave this effect. So, and I got some stuff here on the body, but it still is really cool looking, I think. So like I said, you can always glue down or Mod Podge, but beware if it's, these were the glitter mists that I was using to get this effect, and so the Mod Podge affected that. Here's a little worm. It kind of looks like a pea pod. This was really easy to draw. Just fun. Some people, oh my God, I belong to a Facebook group, Las Vegas Painted Rocks. Oh my God, some of those are truly works of art. Little banana. This one, I used some stickers, but, oh, I bet you that's from that rock with the black spot. So when I sprayed these with the Mod Podge adhesive or sealer, it made them really sticky. So I think that's why that paint, but it's still cute. Just painted a little scene, really just a really rough little scene. Again, the texture in the rock makes it hard to get a good smooth painting like this one. I mean, look at how nice and smooth that one is. And another ghost. And I used the orange glitter paint for that one. And I just did a little pumpkin. Just simple. you know, it's easy just to draw a little pumpkin and paint it. And this is my favorite, and I decided I'm going to keep it because I'm selfish that way. But I really like this one. I love the way it turned out. My little Halloween scene. So this one I am going to keep, and I'm going to use it as a decoration. So anyway, those are my painted rocks, and I'm going to be showing, I've done 4 coffins, decorated 4 coffins, and I'm on my second cigar box that I'm decorating. So I will be showing you those soon. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I hope you were inspired somewhat. You know, if you want to, I mean, it's such a cheap craft to do. I think you can buy 50-cent bottles of paint at Walmart. The Mod Podge sealer, I think, was $7 maybe. And I've used a lot of it, and there's still plenty left in the can. And Sharpies, I mean, everyone has Sharpies, so it's just a really fun project. And if you have kids, they'd probably really enjoy sharing this with you. So, okay, guys, well, thanks again for watching, and I'll just see you next time. Bye.